Creating the unfollow method. This one be public function unfollow. Then this one be dollar order ID. So copy this one from here, then paste it here. Okay. But this time around, this one will be true. You can choose to remove it, right? So if this one is true, then it is true. But let's also check so true, which is this one. Then over here to not be insert, but rather let's so remove this one from here. This one be delete from follow, where sender is equal to colon sender and receiver is equal to colon receiver. Then limit be 1. Why we don't need the status, so remove this one from here. And also remove this one, we don't need it. This time around we are not returning anything, so remove this one also from here. So this is what I'm trying to do. Unfollow functionality over here will return true. So if it's true, then this one over here will execute, meaning it contains something. If it contains something, then I'll delete from the table. This is the table where the sender over here is the person who log in. That's the sender, me. And the receiver over here is the other person, which is this one. The limit over here will be 1. Then this is it.